In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a single message from a Gmail discussion thread. This process is quite simple, yet it can sometimes be a bit tricky if you've never done it before. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have the hang of it. To begin with, open up your web browser and sign into your Gmail account. Make sure your inbox is open and you're ready to go. Now, locate the conversation or thread that contains the message you want to forward. You might have multiple emails in this thread, but our focus today is just to forward a single one. Once you've located the particular discussion thread, click on it to open the full conversation view. Here, you will be able to see all the messages that have been exchanged in this thread. Now, let's find the specific email you wish to forward. As you scroll through your emails, you'll notice that they are stacked in a chronological order, making it easier for you to pinpoint the exact one you're interested in. Once you've found it, hover over or click on that specific email to expand and make it fully visible. You should see the usual email actions like reply, delete, and more. Focus on the three dots or the More menu, which is typically located at the upper right-hand corner of the email window next to the Reply button. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Forward. This might seem a bit hidden if you aren't looking for it, but once you know where it is, it becomes quite straightforward. Clicking Forward will automatically open a new email composition window. Here, you'll see the message you've selected already included in the text area, ready to be sent to another recipient. Now it's time to fill out the necessary recipient information. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you wish to forward this message to. You can add multiple email addresses if needed, and even make use of the CC or BCC fields if you want to send copies to other people. You'll notice that the subject line is automatically prefixed with FWD, followed by the original subject of the message. While you may keep it as is, feel free to modify it if necessary to make it more relevant for your recipient. Before you hit that send button, take a moment to insert any additional comments or context in the body of the email above the original message. This is optional, but it might help clarify why the message is being forwarded. When you're satisfied with everything, click on the Send button. And there you have it. You've successfully forwarded a single message from a Gmail discussion thread. With these steps, you can make sure the recipient receives exactly what you intended without any unnecessary information from the rest of the thread. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day understanding and using Gmail more efficiently.